Hey folks, welcome back to another installment of Henry Outdoors. My name's Henry, and we're going to get on this real quick. Only got about 10 minutes to film today. Well, I gotta film another video. So, we're going to be doing my top 4 summer baits. Most of them are soft plastics. We have one hard bait. So, in the summer, when the fishing gets tough, okay, actually we'll start easy fishing to hard fishing. So when we're easy fishing, we're looking for this. When we're looking for fish, we're using a chartreuse crankbait, square bill, 3 to 6 feet, just really whipping it. 7 foot to 7/6 rod, medium heavy bait casting. It works wonders. It has enough backbone that you can really set it, but it also won't snap on you. I'm going to be using 12-pound fluorocarbon to 10-pound fluorocarbon. I'm also going to be throwing braid with it too, but you can just, a trick is you take a Sharpie and you color the braid black so the fish won't see it. When you're skipping docks, most lakes where you're fishing will have docks if you're on a boat. So this is the Guggen Baits Trench Hog. It is 6.5 inches, I think, something like that. Yeah, so this you're going to be throwing a 5/0 hook with a bullet weight, 7-foot rod around. You can also throw that on a spinning setup, 7 foot preferably for that setup. Next, we have a little 4.5-inch worm. Wait, maybe, I don't know how long it is. Kind of going from the top of my head. This one you're going to be using a 1/0 hook, or 3/0 hook, or something like that. This hook, EWG extra wide gap, just so you can make sure you get those hook sets. So I'm going to Texas rig this. So when we Texas rig it, we're going to go in through the top, out the side, spin it around. So we'll go up, you see that? And then you take it. Oh, that's a little bit too far up. Whoops. And you take it and go through and texpose it just a bit. See, that's texposed. So with the bullet weight, it will go down and flutter if you're popping it like that. 7-foot medium heavy rod. I think I already said that. 10-pound monofilament. That's what most line is now these days. Okay, our last one. When the fish aren't biting, these are proven to work. It shouldn't be a secret to any of you, but I love throwing these yum dingers with a circle or a wacky hook. I also like to cut them down to about here where my finger is and use them as a Ned rig. I bought this, I saw this and it was 2 for $15, so I bought 2 of these 30-pack of Senkos. It's absolutely flippin' massive. It's huge. I love it so much. You're going to be throwing Senkos on a spinning or bait casting setup, 6/1 to 6/6 or whatever. It doesn't have to be heavy. 8 to 10 pound fluorocarbon, 10 to 15 pound mono, 8 to 10 pound braid, whatever you want to use. It does not really matter. Senkos work wonders. You want to make sure you're using a small hook. I will also use a bullet weight on occasion. I'm kind of reading on cards. So you want to use a bullet weight on occasion. When you're not, you could throw it weightless. Just make sure you have a heavier hook. You don't want a big Texas rigged hook. Oh yeah. Hold on. Actually, take. Oh, that's a nice little Seiko. Hold on. Take one of these things. Actually, I'll show you guys in a different video. You could Texas rig it. I showed you guys earlier, but I halfway forgot now. So that's that. That's gonna do it for this episode of Henry Outdoors. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe.